global sound, one rhythm, one world. From the morning sun to the midnight flame, different voices calling one same name. Through the dust, through the pain we rise, hear the heartbeat under open skies. I sing for the lost, I sing for the free, for every soul still finding peace. From the village drum to the city light, we turn our scars into sound tonight. Global sound fusion, feel the vibration. Two hearts, one rhythm, one destination. We don't fall, we rise, we stand tall. Love is the language that unites us all.
From the roots of truth, where the ancestors speak, I carry the fire, the strength of the meek. Every step forward, no fear inside. I walk with the rhythm, the earth as my guide. No border can silence the beat in my chest. Every struggle a lesson, every test a blessing. Hand in hand, voice to voice, in this global sound we make our
Global
choice.
sound fusion, hear the lace fit, many tongues, one celebration. Through the dark, through the dark, through the dark, through the light we call. Love is the power that connects us all.
Can you feel it in the spirit?
Can you hear it?
World is singing. Can you feel it? World is thinking. World of sound fusion,
Elevation, every land, let the generation. True generation, we don't break, we stand tall. One world, one beat. We rise as one, we rise as one, we rise as all. Global sound fusion, global sound fusion. Global soul, Amanda,
Raisfail.
fusion.